Hi, this is Greg. Welcome to Greg's Bass Shed. In this video we're going to be comparing a P bass and a Tele Bass. The P bass I'm going to be using is a Lakland P bass with a bare knuckle pickup, and the Tele Bass is this one. I put this together myself and stained it, and you'll probably see it in a lot of the videos. That's also got a bare knuckles pickup in it. I'm then going to play the Tele Bass with the tone knocked off a third. That's a setting that I really like with this bass. The Lakland I prefer with the tone all the way up. Both sets of strings on the basses have been played in a bit. Obviously the age of the strings and also the wood on the basses really changes the sound, but you'll get an idea of the characteristic sounds of the P bass and the Tele. I'm plugging in through an Apogee Duet interface into the computer, into Logic, and I'm using a clean sound so you'll really get the sort of transparency of the sound hopefully. Next I'm going to be making a video explaining how to plug your bass into the computer, how to get good sound and how to record. So if you haven't already, then subscribe to the channel and you'll get notified when that video gets uploaded. So yeah, hopefully I'll be doing that in the next week or so. I'll be playing the same bass line on both basses and on all the settings. Originally I wrote this bass line for a Bass magazine article, and so I've written a PDF of it. If you want that, then click in the description below, write in your email address, and then I'll send that to you. So there you are, that's a sound comparison of a P bass and a Tele Bass. Both basses have that classic sound and they're really in the same ballpark. But to me the Lakland P sounds like it's got more focused mids and the Tele Bass sounds like it's got a wider range of frequencies. I'd love to know what you think of both the basses in the comparison and which one you prefer if you've got a preference. Remember, you can download the PDF if you want to learn the bass line. The link's in the description. And look out for my next video of me explaining how you can plug your bass into the computer and get a sound and record. After that, I'm also going to be doing a video comparing the P bass, the Lakland P, with a J bass, with my Sir J bass. So watch out for that video too. Obviously, subscribe if you haven't already and like the video if you enjoyed it. Keep practicing and see you next week. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed.
Thank you.